Damn, 32 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance with 3 restarts choreographed by myself, Sydney Barnes, and Tiffany Floyd. So I'm breaking it down step by step for you, and then we'll do it with some music, and you should be good to go. So let's try this thing. You're gonna need 3 heels to start off. You're gonna go right, left, right. You're gonna finish it with 2 claps, clap, clap. Same thing with the left side. You're gonna go left, right, left, clap, clap. So try that part. That's your first 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, clap, clap. Left, right, left, clap, clap. Your next 8 count, you're first gonna do is you're gonna and rock forward on your right, step back onto your left. Then you're gonna do the same thing backwards. You're gonna go right, left. So you're rocking back onto your left and then stepping back onto your right. Then from there, you're gonna triple step forward, left, right, left. Give me 1 full spin to face the front again. Boom. So just that part, that second 8 count, we go and rock, step, triple step, turn it out. So let's put the first 2 8 counts together from the heels. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, clap, clap. Left, right, left, clap, clap. And rock, step, and back, and triple step, spin it out. All right. From here, you're going to bring it up, bring it back. So we go right, left. So bring it up, bring it back. And then you're going to shake, shake, shake. From there, and cross your right over your left. You can give me a pause, and back and heel. So just that part, we go and right over your left, left behind and heel. All right, so bring it up, bring it back. 5, 6, 7, go, and up and back, shake, shake, and cross, wait, and back and heel. All right, let's put those 3 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, and hit, left, right, left. Go forward and back, triple step, triple, turn it out, bring it up, bring it back, shake, shake, and cross, wait, and back and heel. From here, last 8 count, bring it up for and, you're gonna triple step, right, 1 and 2, stomp left, clap once, stomp right, clap once. So just that part, we go and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. You're gonna step your left as you pivot. Now you're turning around to about 9 o'clock. You're gonna give me a spin, left, right to finish it off. So just that last 8 counts is gonna be that and heel. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go, and 1 and 2, step, clap, step, turn it out. So let's do the whole thing together, all 4 8 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, left, rock forward and rock back and triple step, spin, bring it up, bring it back, shake, shake, and cross, wait, and back and heel, hook, triple step, stomp, step, turn it out. All right, with the counts. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, hook, 1, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do some music. Once again, it's one of those dances that makes you say, damn, it's so fun. So let's try this. It's a hell of a dance, I'll tell you that. Once again, it's called Damn, 32 counts, 4-wall, 3 restarts. Five, 6, 7, go, right, left. We got that restart coming up. Here we go. Restart and down. We got one more restart coming up right after the spin. 5, 6, 7, restart. Right, left, right.